Hello everyone, how are you? Everybody, convey my salam, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will solve a viral IQ test. We let me start this viral puzzle. One in thousand men can solve only. We explained this here. Given that 1 plus 4 equal to 5, 2 plus 5 equal to 12, 3 plus 6 equal to 21, and 8 plus 11 equal to what? Answer is 96. Explained it. A plus B tends to A plus A B. Here 1 plus 1 into 4 equal to 5, and 2 plus 2 into 5 equal to 12, and 3 plus 3 into 6 equal to 21, and 8 plus 8 into 11 equal to 96. It is the answer. Is explained here. And many people point that answer is answer is 40. It is wrong. Running total here, running total is 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 1 plus 4 equal to 5, and 5 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 12, and 12 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 21. Then they write 21 plus 3 plus 11 equal to 40. It is wrong. I explain that here we can run there. So 1 2 3 is a sequence number, then the start 4, second line 4 5 6. So there should be next line should be 20. Here first line next number is 4, and second line next number is 7, so 21. So next line is 4 plus 7, and 21 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 32, and next line will be 5 plus 8, so 32 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 45, and next number will be 6 plus 9, so 45 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 60, and next number will be 7 plus 10, and 60 plus 7 plus 10 equal to 77. And next and last number 8 plus 11, 8 plus 11 here. So we can write 77 plus 8 plus 11 equal to 96. So interesting puzzle. Everybody like, comment and share. If you any problem in mathematics can comment my YouTube channel Skillers Pathshala. I will try to solve your problem. No more today. Again we'll meet you next update video. Everybody, thank you.